Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to deploy your project on Netlify. First, we use continuous deployment, which is the recommended method. This means your website updates automatically every time you push new code. Start by logging into Netlify. On your dashboard, click on Add New Site, then choose Import an Existing Project. Next, select your Git provider like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, and allow Netlify to access your repositories. After that, pick the repository that contains your project. Now you will see the build settings. Netlify usually detects your framework automatically. Just make sure the build command is correct. Once everything looks correct, click Deploy Site. Netlify will build and publish your project, and you will get a live link within etlify.app domain. The second method is Netlify Drop, which is faster and does not require Git. This is best for simple static websites. First, make sure all your final website files are inside one folder. Then go to the Netlify Drop page in your browser. Drag and drop your folder or upload a zip file. As soon as the upload finishes, your site will go live instantly with a generated link. That is how you can deploy your project using Netlify. Thanks for watching.